Kelly Brook has told how she was left with serious burns after a chemical peel on her face went wrong. The 42-year-old suffered a terrifying health scare last week after getting the cosmetic procedure to treat wrinkles. 2. Kelly Brook has been covering up with sunglasses after her chemical peel went wrong. Credit, splash. She told Heart FM listeners she's in loads of pain, with her co-host JK describing her as face as bright red. Kelly explained on her show tonight, "I've had a chemical peel again. I don't know why I do it to myself. My eyes are swollen and everything." JK told listeners, she is hiding under sunglasses with her coat pulled right up. "My makeup is all smudged," Kelly continued. "It looks like I've been crying and is because I've got so much cream on to try and take down the swelling. It is just so painful. Why do I do it? It's something that's meant to make you feel good." Former glamour model Kelly stands at 5 feet 6 inches and has 34 ff boobs. She is famous for being a natural beauty, and she reckons today's obsession with fillers and fake boobs is already becoming unfashionable. The star dropped a dress size in November after piling on weight in lockdown. In a chat with The Sun, she revealed her top tips for a balanced diet. Here Kelly reveals her tips for a balanced diet. She said, "You need to banish the shame. I have positive self-esteem and am happy to accept myself, cellulite, warts and all. Being kinder to ourselves and letting go of shame and guilt helps us to stick to our goals long term. I never say no to something I really want, but it's all about checks and balances. I work to the 80-20 rule. I know that if I eat well and enjoy balanced nutritious meals, I will feel and look better. Don't beat yourself up about yesterday or last year. Focus on the positive changes you can make today and tomorrow." 2. The 42-year-old has told of her terrifying health scare. Credit, F&F.